Okay, today we're going to be talking about integers and how we use them to represent data. To start with, positive whole numbers, their opposites, and zero are called integers. Anything that's above zero is positive, like 1, 2, 3, and so forth. Anything below zero, -1, -10, -1,000,000, well, those are called negative integers, and they're less than zero. We're going to take a look at some examples right now. Let's start with a 10-yard loss. If you had a 10-yard loss, you don't have it. You have a 10-yard loss means it's a -10. So we would represent this by writing -10. Let's move on to this next one. Oh, before we move on to the next one, we want to know what the meaning of zero in this situation would be. Well, if it's a 10-yard loss, a zero would mean that you didn't lose or gain any yards if you said zero in relation to this question. For B, 4 inches of rain above normal. Think about it. Would it be a -4 or a +4 if it's above normal? So if this is normal and it's above normal, it would be, you guessed it, a +4. We write +4 just like this. No need to put a plus sign in front of it. Now, what would zero represent in this situation? Well, zero would represent the normal amount of rain. If it's above normal, then it's above the normal amount. Now we're going to go to C, a $48 deposit into a savings account. Because it represents an increase, well, the integer would be 48, +48. Again, no need to put a negative sign there. The meaning of zero here would be neither a deposit nor a withdrawal. In these 3 different examples that I am showing you, they were very simple. There was no work to show other than writing a negative sign in front of the number or leaving it as such. This is pretty simple when we're talking about showing a negative integer versus a positive integer.